Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change button text subscribe to calendar in event page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to change this text. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and we are using the event calendar plugin, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Go to event page and then you see button. So sometime button layout and format is different, sometime capital letter, small letter, uppercase. So we are going to find out actual format. Right click on it and then click on inspect, so click on it. Now inspect element open and then you see subscribe to calendar, so copy this, back to code, now paste here, and then you see translated text calendar subscription, so you can add text according to your requirement. So we are going to change this text to this. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, and then you see location, drop down select, and then you see multiple option, so select front end conditional logic. Now select it and then you see option selected, scroll down and then you see smart conditional logic enable, and then you see condition show, and then you see button add new group. Now select and then you see drop down, select post type and then select is, and then you see drop down post. Now select and then you see event, so click on it, and we are using the event calendar plugin, so we added condition. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to event page, now you see button, close this and refresh the page, and then you see button text change calendar subscription by using custom code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to replace this text to this, and then we select location front end conditional logic, and then we enable logic condition. We set post type is events. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.